Hello everyone, today I will share out the two new battery for you. This battery is for MX40 Philips monitor. Yeah. Here is all the two new battery sample. You can see our battery have a slightly appearance from original. Yeah. Besides, we can OEM or DM the battery according to your customer's request. Maybe we can stick your logo for this battery. Yeah. And yesterday, and I have charged the two battery as a full compatible. You can see. Yeah, it's full. We will change. Now. It is full, you can see. Yeah. Yeah, you can see. I change. Yeah, full. I replace another one. Full. The two battery. 1, 2. The battery is full. Green lights. Yeah, maybe nearly full capacity. Okay, now we will test the monitor. Yeah, no problem. The battery drives the monitor. This battery is nearly the full capacity. Yeah. You can see the monitor. Maybe wait. Okay, good. You wait to second. You can see the battery to indicate the 100% full. Right? Everything is good.